Hello dear students. Welcome to yet another session on personality development. Personality development is a subject which keeps going on and on and on. इस subject में full stop नहीं होता है. It is only commas. But isn't it nice that you have something nice to fall back upon constantly, to work on and to develop your personalities? Sometimes after the personality development workshops, I have received feedback from the students and the adults as to how their lives have changed and transformed. For example, some of the students come and tell me that I can manage my time so well now and I can study so much more. Or some of them tell me that in the past 2 years they have achieved so much because they have learned the art of goal setting. Or some of the adults have found very positive changes in their life because of learning interpersonal skills. And they say that my relationships are so good. Some of them feel a different quality of life in their own life. They feel very happy, they feel very joyous because they have learned the art of positive thinking. I feel very nice to see this motivation and inspiration in the people, in the students, in the adults. I feel inspired and motivated myself, and I want to see that inspiration and motivation in all of you. So dear students, इस सब्जेक्ट में अपना इंटरेस्ट बनाए रखिए. Learn as much as you can under this subject, but do not forget to go on implementing. So let us study the subject, the topic for the day, which is on dynamic grooming. Now, grooming is something that you have heard of before. We are going to tackle it in detail. What do you mean by dynamic grooming? Grooming means the way you present yourself to the world. आप किस तरीके से वॉक करते हो, टॉक करते हो, ड्रेसअप करते हो, लोगों के साथ बातचीत करते हो, everything comes under grooming. But mind you, grooming is a very, very, very vast subject. हमने आज तक जो भी सेशंस लिए हैं, जो भी लेक्चर्स लिए हैं, everything will come a little bit under grooming. So let us see what exactly is grooming. Grooming can be broadly divided into two parts, because our personality can be broadly divided into two parts. That is, the inner personality and the outward personality. Dynamic grooming is divided into two parts, as in the grooming of your external personality and the grooming of your internal personality. Grooming of the external personality will consist of topics like styling of the hair, makeup, body language, your personal hygiene, your nails, hair care, skin care, and so on and so forth. Everything talking about the physical aspect. Now, grooming of the internal personality consists of positive attitude, confidence building, time management skills, goal setting, interpersonal skills, how you manage your emotions, so on and so forth. So now what is dynamic grooming? Dynamic grooming is a combination of the grooming of the internal personality as well as the grooming of the external personality. Now, why is this particular dynamic grooming a very, very important topic today? It is extremely important to groom yourself dynamically, externally as well as internally. I will not explain it to you with very, very hi-fi words, but I will give you a very simple and sweet example so that you understand the importance of dynamic grooming in the modern times. आप सबको बर्थडे अच्छा लगता है, अपना जन्मदिन याद है सबको और जन्मदिन मनाना सबको अच्छा लगता है. Everybody likes receiving gifts, भेंट, तोहफा, everybody likes receiving the gifts, isn't it? And whenever we are thinking of birthday, it brings back very, very nice memories. Now imagine it is your birthday, okay? And you are getting lots of gifts. Gift number 1 is wrapped in a newspaper and kept on one side. Gift number 2 is wrapped in a very stylish and a glazed paper with lots of ribbons put in it and lot of decoration on it. That is gift number 2, kept over there. Then you have the gift number 3, which is also wrapped in a very designer kind of a paper. बहुत ही अच्छा पेपर है, उसमें बहुत अच्छा रिबन है, बहुत अच्छा डेकोरेशन है और वो वहां पे रखा है. Which kind of gift would you like to receive? Normally nobody will say yes for a gift which is wrapped in the newspaper, क्योंकि वो attractive नहीं लगता है, अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Nobody will like to receive that gift. एक साइड में पड़ा रहेगा. Second gift, yes, people might pick it up क्योंकि वो अट्रैक्टिव लगता है. अगर उस गिफ्ट को आप खोलते हो और डब्बा खाली, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं निकलता, तो क्या आपको अच्छा लगेगा? आपको गुस्सा आ जाएगा और आप उस डब्बे को फेंक दोगे. कितना भी अच्छा हो, कितनी भी अच्छी पैकिंग हो, लेकिन आपको गुस्सा आएगा. किसी ने मुझे ऐसा गिफ्ट दिया, उसमें कुछ अंदर है ही नहीं, कुछ कंटेंट ही नहीं है. आपको गुस्सा आएगा, आप उसको फेंक दोगे. गिफ्ट नंबर 3 is well packaged, well decorated, very attractive, and you open it. उसके अंदर से आपकी एक मन चाहे गिफ्ट निकलती है. मोबाइल फोन हो सकता है, या अच्छी किताब हो सकती है, या केक हो सकता है. जो भी आपको चीज पसंद है उसके अंदर से निकलती है. आपकी खुशी का कोई अंदाजा ही नहीं होगा एंड यू विल बी वेरी सेटिस्फाइड. आपके मन को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा वो गिफ्ट रिसीव करना, क्योंकि वो गिफ्ट बहुत अट्रैक्टिवली पैक्ड है और उसके अंदर जो कंटेंट है आपके लाइकिंग के हिसाब से है, आपके मन के हिसाब से है. सो यू विल, most of the people, all the people will definitely like to receive the gift number 3. Dear students, we all, you all of us, we should think that we are gifts to the world. We are a present to the world. And we should present ourselves to the world, not like gift number 1, not like gift number 2, but like gift number 3. Because people are likely to love this kind of gift. They will love the gift number 3. So package yourself well. Your packaging is the grooming of your external personality, and your content is the grooming of your internal personality. आप definitely कर सकते हो. All the raw material is there with you. In fact, you are your own raw material. You have everything with you to make yourself successful. थोड़ी सी polishing की जरूरत है, which will happen with dynamic grooming. But take care to see that you take these 2 factors, internal and external, together, and then you see the result. And you see how different, how your life is going to take a completely different kind of a complexion. Okay, so now let us go ahead to the next part, that is, let me give you a case now. I will make the point after you have heard the case. Now, Archana was a girl from a village, and उसका एक बहुत बड़ा dream था कि she wanted to get admission in a very good college in a very big city, जो कि dream पूरा हुआ, and she was very very happy for that. उसको एडमिशन मिल गया मुंबई में एक बहुत बड़े कॉलेज में. शी गॉट एडमिशन फॉर MBA एंड शी वाज सो हैप्पी. उसने हॉस्टल में एडमिशन भी ले लिया. शी शिफ्टेड ओवर देयर एंड शी वाज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गोइंग टू द कॉलेज. फर्स्ट डे, सेकेंड डे, थर्ड डे, एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. शी वाज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल एंड शी पिक्ड अप व्हाट वाज बीइंग टोल्ड इन द क्लासेस वेरी फास्ट. आफ्टर दैट शी स्टार्टेड फेसिंग सॉलिड इंफीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स. लड़कियां किस तरीके से आती थी कॉलेज में, कितना स्टाइल था. दे वर ड्रेस्ड अप सो वेल, दे वर सो स्टाइलिश, और फेस वॉज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. एवरीथिंग वॉज सो ग्लैमरस. शी सेड, मैं तो ऐसी कभी नहीं बन सकती. एंड आफ्टर दैट, well, somebody is always there to give you confidence. Somebody gave her the confidence and said that if you try, definitely you can also dress up like that. Well, there are 2 ways. You can take expert help. You can go to the parlors. There are a lot of image consultants also today who are there to help you. But all this is very, very expensive. The second way is that you can learn a few tips and you can apply it on yourself and make magical transformation in your external personality. तो ये थोड़े थोड़े छोटे छोटे जो tips हैं, I would like to share with you. And well, the boys can also listen to it. These tips are for makeup, they are for the girls, but boys can listen to it. उनको भी कभी-कभी काम में आ जाएगा to help somebody, maybe your mother or sister or your girlfriend. So please listen to these tips for your makeup. First one, these are very simple tips. There is no use of very expensive products over here. ये आप खुद ही implement कर सकते हैं at no cost at all. First important point is cleansing. I am talking about makeup, and if you want to jot down a few points, you can jot it down. Really. Splash water on your eyes 3-4 times a day. Also clean. Take a napkin and just dab it on your face for drying it. Normally people use a towel and just clean the face. That is not correct. It spoils the tissues and the muscles of your face. You should just take a napkin and dab your face. This is the best way to clean your face. After cleansing comes the process of scrubbing. There are a lot of scrubs which are available in the market today, and then if you do not want to spend that kind of money getting scrubs, you can have scrubs in your own kitchen also. Our grandmothers always gave us these recipes of using scrubs like besan or rava, and you can find out more about it. You can ask your grandmother, you can ask your mother. Scrubs are available which help you to clean your facial muscles and skin thoroughly. Second point is scrub. Apply a scrub on your face and clean it. After that, now all this is very very important, क्योंकि अगर आप मेकअप विदाउट क्लेंजिंग लगाओगे, उसके बाद जब मेकअप आप निकालोगे बहुत सारे पिंपल्स आ जाएंगे आपके फेस पे. सो क्लीनिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डू नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ क्लीनिंग. जब आप एक बहुत सी सुंदर पेंटिंग बनाना चाहते हो, एक क्लीन कैनवस चाहिए, तो आप अभी अपना कैनवस क्लीन कर रहे हो, उसके बाद मेकअप लगाना स्टार्ट करना है. Now starting to do up your face, you start it with a foundation. Foundation is a nice bottle which you get, and a nice cream. It can come in a powder or it can come as a paste. It can come as a liquid. Now you have to take the foundation and you have to spread it evenly on your face. Just dab it just like that, evenly on your face. Cream की तरह नहीं लगाना है उसको, otherwise it will get a very cakey kind of a impression. You just have to dab it just like that, and then you have to take cotton and then you have to spread it evenly. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फाउंडेशंस मिलते हैं, हायर एंड फाउंडेशंस मिलते हैं, एवरेज कॉस्ट के भी फाउंडेशन मिलते हैं, पर अच्छी ब्रांडेड कंपनी का आपको फाउंडेशन लेना है और अपने फेस पे लगाना है. After you have put the foundation, there is a compact which you get. That is the powder, that is the face powder which you can apply on your face. Again, you have to apply it evenly. You have to see to it that एक साइड में बहुत ज़्यादा और एक साइड में बहुत कम, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Otherwise, it will create a very, very funny impression. Once your face is done completely, after that, you have to take a liner. You get an eyeliner. Now, kajal is something which was applied earlier, but what happens today is that if you are with the makeup every day, the kajal, if you apply, it will spread on your face. So you get very nice liners. Liquid liner आप लीजिए, and very evenly you can apply it on your eyes. If you do not know how to apply a liner, you can go to a parlor, learn it, and then later on you can apply it. इसमें बहुत कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है. लाइनर में ब्रश होता है, and you can use the brush and apply the liner. Now after the liner you get of different colors. Please do not use very very bright colors for workplace. A black liner is very good for workplace, and if you are going for a party or a get together, then you can use the other liners. After that comes the part of your dress. Select your dress very, very carefully. It should be well ironed. It should be suited to the occasion. You have to find out whether you have to wear a formal dress or whether you have to wear an informal dress, and accordingly you have to select the dress. Oh, I have forgotten the part of the lipstick. Lipstick also is a very, very important item as far as the makeup is concerned. See to it that you do not apply very, very bright lipsticks when you are going for a very formal occasion. Now, the dress has been taken care of. Accessories are also very, very important. आप क्या accessories पहन रहे हो, किसके साथ, कौन सी occasion के लिए, all this thing is very, very important. If it is a wedding, then you can wear some very heavy accessories, very attractive. But if it is an interview, if it is a presentation, तो आपके accessories light होने चाहिए. और accessories यानी कि आप कान में क्या पहन रहे हो, गले में क्या पहन रहे हो, all these things are very important. All these things are communicating. So select everything with care. Last but not the least is footwear. Footwear is equally important. Just because you wear it on the foot does not mean कि उसको कोई importance नहीं देना चाहिए. Dress के हिसाब से, occasion के हिसाब से आपको footwear पहनना चाहिए. For example, while giving a presentation, you cannot wear sandals or you cannot wear floaters when you are going for the interview or when you are giving the presentation. It gives a very ungroomed kind of a look. You have to wear formal shoes at that time. Now, when you are going to the beach, then you can wear, or when you are going to some kind of a party, then you can wear a different kind of a footwear. So everything should be carefully selected and carefully worn. Everything is communicating. This is the day and age of impression management. हर एक चीज जो आप पहनते हो और हर एक चीज आप जो लोगों को दिखती है, एक मैसेज मिलता है लोगों को, एक कम्युनिकेशन मिलता है लोगों को, तो एक बहुत केयरफुली आपको ये सब चीजें करनी चाहिए. आप केयरफुली करोगे, get ready for any occasion and sparkle and dazzle and well, you will be received very well and people will appreciate you. I have not gone into too much of detail about makeup and physical grooming because definitely we would be having a lot of demo sessions on this particular topic, and you will definitely get an idea on these various aspects. Let us get into some different aspects of grooming. Physical grooming तो important है ही, but grooming is not only physical. There are so many other aspects. Let us see some other aspects. The next aspect I would like to talk about is be a well-groomed communicator. What do you mean by well-groomed communicator? Communication में भी आपकी grooming झलकती है. There are a lot of people who dress up very well. उनका मेकअप परफेक्ट होता है, उनके कपड़े परफेक्ट होते हैं, उनका फुटवेयर परफेक्ट होता है, पर जिस तरीके से बातचीत करते हैं वो लोगों से, वो परफेक्ट नहीं होता है. Sometimes it is gross, sometimes they are rude, they are shouting at people, they are hurling abuses. Now, this should not be the case. Then you will not be called a dynamically groomed person. अगर आप चाहते हो लोग आपको बोलें कितना कल्चर्ड है, कितनी ग्रूमिंग है इसमें, तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन भी उस तरीके से होना चाहिए. द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट विच यू शुड नॉट डू इज दैट द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट विच यू शुड नॉट डू एज फार एज योर कम्युनिकेशन इज कंसर्न, डू नॉट ब्लो योर ओन ट्रम्पेट. What do you mean by not blowing your own trumpet? Do not boast about yourself. Do not brag about yourself. मैंने ये किया, मेरी इतनी क्वालिफिकेशन है और मेरा घर ऐसा है, मैं तो इतने पैसे कमाता हूँ, मैं तो ऐसा हूँ, मैं तो वैसा हूँ, me, my God, people do not like to sit in their company at all. थक जाते हैं, पक जाते हैं कान उनको सुनते सुनते उन्हीं के बारे में. Talking about yourself is really not good communication. When you are sitting with other people, a good idea is to talk about the others. Be genuinely interested in the other people. That is good grooming. That shows culture. You can do n number of things. You may be a very talented person, you may be a very rich person, you may be a very very highly qualified person. पर अच्छा काम तो दिख जाता है ना लोगों को. दूसरे लोगों को बात करने दो आपके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में, आप खुद मत बात करो. इसमें आपकी लैक ऑफ ग्रूमिंग झलकती है. पीपल डोंट टॉक गुड अबाउट यू बिहाइंड योर बैक. कितना भी टैलेंट होने दो, कितना भी आप मल्टी स्किल्ड होने दो, कितने भी अचीवमेंट्स होने दो, लोगों को बात करने दो इसके बारे में. लेट अस टेक द केस ऑफ मिस्टर तुषार, who was holding a very high post in a multinational company, and he used to think no end of himself. He used to constantly talk about himself, and he used to feel very happy with himself. And his people who were working for him also used to be, yes sir, very good sir. Naturally, उनके अंडर काम करते थे, तो they were, they had high regard for his chair. And that is why they used to support him, and उनकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाते रहते थे. As soon as he lost his chair, after his retirement, those people were not there at all. जो उनको gifts मिलते थे, जो लोग उनके आसपास घूमते थे, they were not there at all. क्योंकि naturally they actually never used to like Mr. Tushar. But just because he was their boss, उनकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाते रहते थे. क्योंकि मिस्टर तुषार बहुत ही प्राउडी किस्म के इंसान थे, बहुत अपने बारे में बात करते थे, अपने बारे में बहुत कुछ सोचते थे. और जब ऐसा हुआ, रिटायर हो गए, उनकी लाइफ एकदम चेंज हो गई और उनको लाइफ की असलियत पता चली कि क्या होती है, तब उनकी पर्सनालिटी में एक बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत बड़ा चेंज आया. उन्होंने पहले एक प्रण कर लिया, निश्चय कर लिया, मैं अपने बारे में बात नहीं करूंगा. He started cultivating other things in his personality, other hobbies. He started taking interest in other people. He started helping out other people. Charity करना start किया, social work करना start किया. Today, Mr. Tushar is a very, very happy person. उनको अपने बारे में बोस्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. उन्होंने देख लिया है सब, what is life and what are people, and it is so hollow, it is so shallow, all these things. So dear students, please do not boast about yourself. Life आप sincere हो, I guess that you must be very sincere people. आप hard work करोगे तो you will get lot of things in life. But let other people talk about you. You don't blow your own trumpet. That is not very good grooming. Next one, let us, a few other points as far as being a good communicator is concerned. Do not keep correcting the youngsters. A lot of people who are in authority or parents, they keep correcting the youngsters. ये करो, वो मत करो, ऐसा करो, वैसा मत करो. उनको तो grooming सिखाते हैं, but this itself is not good grooming. Youngsters, they are growing up. Gently we have to guide them. Do not keep hurling instructions on them all the time. In psychology, there is a phrase which is known as being mother deaf. It means कि मदर बोलती रहती है, बेटा पढ़ाई कर लो, पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो आगे क्या होगा, तुम्हारे फ्यूचर का क्या होगा. वो बच्चा सुनता है और वहां से भाग जाता है. He is literally become deaf to what the mother is saying because he hears this dialogue day in and day out. Every day he is listening to this dialogue. तो कब तक सुनेगा? This is known as being mother deaf. Now, instead of, as elders, as people in authority, maybe you are a boss, you want to tell something to the employee, there is another way that you can say it. That is good grooming. What is that way? Convert should to could. You should do this sounds like you are in authority and ऐसा ही करना है उसको आप कोई choice नहीं दे रहे हो. And you could do this. You are giving the choice to the other person. So the other person does not feel insulted or he does not feel low. Agar, even if you're talking to a child and if you tell the child that don't you think if you could study for 4 hours instead of 1 hour, you will get admission in that college, that MBA college that you want to get admission. Think about it. Don't you think you could do that? Or if a boss is telling an employee, don't you think you could work like this and not like this? ऐसा करो. Don't you think? सोचो इसके बारे में. आपने टोन बदली है और आपने वर्ड बदला है, आपने सेंटेंस बदला है, मैसेज वही है. But difference is the world of a difference. दिस साउंड्स कल्चर्ड, एक ग्रूमिंग लगती है इसमें, एक कल्चर लगता है, और एक दूसरे को आप रिस्पेक्ट देते हो, एक चॉइस देते हो दूसरी चीज सिलेक्ट करने का. सो दिस वे यू मस्ट कम्युनिकेट. डू नॉट कीप गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस. कितनी भी अथॉरिटी होने दो, कितना भी पावर होने दो आप में, आई एम श्योर यू डू नॉट वांट पीपल टू वर्क अंडर फियर. फिर मिस्टर तुषार की तरह होगा, आपकी पोजीशन चली जाएगी. आफ्टर दैट नोबडी इज गोइंग टू रिस्पेक्ट यू. While you are in power, speak nicely to people and give respect to people and give choices to people. So that is very, very important. Next one, again in communication, do not use negative words. Sometimes, especially in the middle age or these days even the youngsters, they are using so many negative words in their regular conversation. That is not good grooming. Let me tell you one thing, nobody actually is interested in what negative is happening in your life. आपकी लाइफ में जो भी नेगेटिव हो रहा है, आप डील करो उसके साथ. आपको इसी की ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है कि ये नेगेटिव हो रहा है, इसके साथ हमको कैसे डील करना है. लोगों को अपनी सॉब स्टोरीज, अपनी नेगेटिव स्टोरीज मत बताओ. दैट इज बैड ग्रूमिंग. डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट द नेगेटिविटीज ऑफ योर लाइफ with other people. कोई close friend है, definitely you must have close friends जिसके साथ आप सब कुछ डिस्कस करते हो, शेयर करते हो. बट कुछ लोग, I think 60% of the people become so negative and pessimistic. They are constantly talking negative words and negative sentences. They will talk about diseases, they will talk about pain, they will talk about financial crisis, they will talk about so many things. Mind you, if you talk about negative things, more and more in your words, your mind catches it, and those negative things actually multiply. I am not saying this, psychology tells it. तो negative चीजें बोलनी नहीं है. पहली बात, starting point is your language. वो तो आपके कंट्रोल में है. लाइफ में आगे जो होना है आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, पर आपकी लैंग्वेज तो आपके कंट्रोल में है. कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करना है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, वो तो आपके कंट्रोल में है. पॉजिटिव चीजें बोलो और सोचो, ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी लाइफ में पॉजिटिव होने लगेगा. लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज दिस, आई कांट डू दिस. सो चेंज आई कांट टू आई कैन. आई एम डम, आई एम नॉट इंटेलिजेंट, आई एम वेरी डम, आई एम वेरी स्लो. भगवान ने मुझे इंटेलिजेंस ही नहीं दी है. दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ वेरी वेरी बैड ग्रूमिंग. क्यों आप बोलना चाहते हो आई एम डम, आई एम नॉट इंटेलिजेंट, आई एम नॉट स्मार्ट, nobody likes me, I will never be a success. All this is a sign of very bad grooming. Change all this to, why can't I do it? If the other person can do it, why can't I do it? I will definitely try. Let me see. Try to karne do. I want to be successful. I deserve to be successful. I deserve to be happy. I will be happy and I will make the other people happy. This language is a sign of good grooming and good thinking. So that is why I said grooming is not only limited to your dressing up, but it is limited to your inner personality. It is limited to your thoughts also. So shift from a negative person to a very, very positive person. That is very, very important. I have seen a lot of people who are very, very well groomed, but they are very, very negative personalities. I don't think I will consider them as well-groomed people. आपके negative words निकलते हैं, वो negativity spread हो जाती है. Please don't do that. It is our responsibility to create positivity in our own personality and also to spread the positivity all around us. Okay? Now let us go ahead with the next one. That is grooming while facing interviews. Interviews का session लिया है मैंने, but I will focus a little bit more on the grooming aspect over here. Shailendra was a person who got a call for an interview from a very big company और वो बहुत खुश था. Naturally आपको call आएगा, आप बहुत खुश हो गए. वो गया इंटरव्यू के लिए and after a few days he got a letter. But he was very sad that day. Why was he sad? क्योंकि वो सिलेक्शन का लेटर नहीं था, रिजेक्शन का लेटर था. शैलेंद्र इंटेलिजेंट था, सब क्वालिफिकेशन थी, सब कुछ था. Why was he rejected? I will tell you why he was rejected. he was rejected because he was not groomed well for the interview. अब इंटरव्यू के लिए क्या ग्रूमिंग की जरूरत है, बहुत ही सिंपल पॉइंट्स है जो कि शैलेंद्र ने नहीं करी थी. फर्स्ट वन, he had not combed his hair and they were not trimmed. सिंपल सी बात है, comb your hair, trim your hair, very important, लेकिन लड़के नहीं करते हैं कभी कभी, ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं कैजुअली इंटरव्यू के लिए. He had not done that. So trim your hair, comb your hair properly, wash it properly. Fully grown hair, long hair for boys do not look good for the interview. Next one, he had worn floaters, that is the bathroom slippers. Bathroom slippers पहन के कोई इंटरव्यू के लिए जाता है क्या? लेकिन शैलेंद्र ने किया था ऐसा. आते हैं कुछ लोग इंटरव्यू के लिए ऐसे ही उठ के आ जाते हैं. They don't care कि क्या पहन रहे हैं वो. But it is an important message that you are giving to the panel. There are experts sitting over there. आप क्या मैसेज दे रहे हो उनको? I don't care. आपको मुझे सिलेक्ट करना हो तो करो, नहीं तो मैं चला जाता हूँ. Very casual approach. If you are very casual about your dressing, it is very likely that you will be very casual about your job also. ये आप मैसेज दे रहे हो. So please do not wear your floaters. You have to wear formal, well-polished shoes. That is very, very important. Next one. Shailendra had worn a red t-shirt and jeans. इंटरव्यू के लिए रेड टी शर्ट आपकी फेवरेट टी शर्ट हो सकती है, लेकिन नॉट फॉर द इंटरव्यू. फॉर इंटरव्यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टी शर्ट नहीं पहननी है. यू हैव टू वेयर अ फॉर्मल शर्ट एंड अ फॉर्मल ट्राउजर. सेकेंडली, color is also very, very important. It cannot be a red color. It has to be a muted color, mute colors. Browns are there, blues are there. Very light color होना चाहिए, क्योंकि the whole attention of the expert should not go on the color of your shirt. It should go on your personality. तो light colors पहनने हैं, formal कपड़े पहनने हैं. शैलेंद्र ने क्या पहना था? रेड टी शर्ट और जीन्स, जो कि एक बहुत ही कैजुअल अप्रोच है, कैजुअल ड्रेस है. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. You have to wear formal dress. He had worn a very, very strong perfume. Wearing a strong perfume is bad grooming. आप बोलोगे क्यों? अच्छा परफ्यूम है, मेरा फेवरेट परफ्यूम है. कैसे bad grooming? It is bad grooming because the experts who are sitting over there are very, very senior people. Strong perfumes do not go well with everyone. Everybody cannot receive it. Sometimes strong perfumes are giving headache to the people. तो परफ्यूम नहीं यूज करना है. लाइट डियोज मिलते हैं आजकल मार्केट में, वो यूज करना है फॉर द इंटरव्यू. So that is very, very important. Next is, he had the handkerchief which he took out was very, very dirty. आपने कपड़ों का ख्याल किया और हैंकरचिफ का ख्याल नहीं किया. अगेन आपको माइनस मार्किंग मिलेगी बिकॉज दैट इज बीइंग ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द पीपल. तो हैंकरचिफ भी जो आप लेके जाते हो नीटली आयरन होना चाहिए, क्लीन होना चाहिए. ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, ही हैड रीच्ड द इंटरव्यू 5 minutes late. Now, you should not be reaching late. You should be reaching the interview 10 minutes early. This is very, very important. जाके reach that place, settle yourself, and then be ready for the interview. आप late पहुंचोगे, अपने आप को settle कैसे करोगे? You must always be 10 or 15 minutes early. That is very important. Okay. Now, next one. Well, there are a lot of points under grooming, but one thing, let me tell you, grooming, physical grooming itself is a topic which is going to take a full day. जैसा कि मैंने बताया आपको डेमोज में सब दिखाया जाएगा, but one thing I would like to tell you, grooming को आप only physical aspect पे limit मत करिए. All the aspects of your life should be well groomed. This is known as 360-degree grooming. Then you will be called as a dynamically groomed person. Physical, mental, emotional, all aspects of your life should be well groomed. Just to give you an idea of I have put it in a very different way. Grooming means dandruff-free hair, stress-free mind, pain-free body, pest free home, loan free business, conflict free relationships. ये सारी चीजें अगर आपके लाइफ में होंगी, then you can say that आपकी लाइफ dynamically groomed है ना? ये इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. ये करते करते तो बहुत साल निकल जाएंगे, but no harm. We can always start trying, and you will enjoy, because it is lovely. It is a lovely feeling when you are dynamically groomed. It is a lovely feeling. You feel that your life is great. Okay, students, now for the assignments. Please note down, who is your role model as far as dynamic grooming is concerned? Whom would you like to dress up like? Describe in detail what you like about that person. Next one, write in detail about hair care and skin care. Do your research from beauty magazines or internet. Write your answer in not more than 100 words. Next one, write an essay on ideal diet for facial glow. Make a full diet chart for yourself where your full nutrition is covered. Write your answer in not more than 100 words. Next, what is the relationship between emotions and grooming? Make a list of emotions that bring a glow to your face and make you look good. A little bit of project work which you have to do. Make a special journal on dynamic grooming. Collect articles from various magazines and stick them in the journal under the headings like hair care, skin care, makeup, फैशन और जितनी कैटेगरीज दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ. ये जर्नल आप अपने पास हमेशा रखिए, एंड व्हेन यू हैव टू ग्रूम योरसेल्फ यू कैन रिफर टू इट. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कहते हैं वक्त से पहले और किस्मत से ज्यादा किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपने आप को डायनामिकली ग्रूम करते हैं, हर समय करते हैं, 360 डिग्रीज करते हैं, तो शायद किस्मत आपसे खुश हो जाए और वक्त से पहले बहुत कुछ ज्यादा आपको देने लग जाए. सो स्टार्ट ग्रूमिंग, स्टेप योर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड, से हेलो टू अ न्यू यू, टू द डायनामिक यू, टू द स्टार इन यू. Wish you a very, very sparkling future. Thank you.